How to make money with Perplexity. Are you looking to turn your skills into cash right from your laptop? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Perplexity, a powerful tool that can supercharge your income. Stay tuned because these tips could change your financial game. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of Perplexity and how you can use it to boost your earnings. In the realm of natural language processing and information theory, Perplexity is a key metric used to evaluate the performance of probabilistic models, especially language models. It quantifies how well a model predicts a sequence of words, effectively measuring the model's uncertainty or confidence in its predictions. First things, what is exactly perplexity? It's a fantastic tool or for enhancing productivity and creativity. Today we'll explore how you can leverage it to make money. So all you have to do is open your browser and dive into perplexity.ai. This is the home page. As you can see, you have home, discover, library, sign in, try pro, and learn more here. If you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over here and continue with Google, Apple, or some SSO. Then we have also, you can click over here and you write your email and you will get your verification at your email, then you done your sign up. So here we have where knowledge begins. You can ask anything you want here. So let's give an example. Who is the best player in the world? As you can see, so this is answers. We have your sources first, then we have answer. We have a lot of sources that could help you to confirmate your answer. So we have the first one, the second one, the third one, and two more, as you can see. Then we have answer, also great contenders, historical context, related, also who is currently ranked as the number one of in the world, as you can see, and you will get other sources, as you can see. Also, we have here pictures, videos, also, and so it's very helpful to more understand. So let's back to the home page. Here we have Pro. So let's clicking over and we have here Perplexity. Pro is the most powerful way to search the internet with unlimited pro search, upgraded AI models, unlimited file upload, image generation, and EPA credit. We have here the free one and the professional one. The free one we have limited quick searches, 5 pro searches per day, standard Perplexity, AI model, optimized for speed and quality, create a profile to personalize your answers. The professional you pay $20 for each month. As you can see here, we have continue with pro, and here we have playground, as you can see. So this is playground. You can just start conversation with Perplexity Labs, and here we have hello, how can I help you? You can just send any question, any problem, and it will try to find a solution, as you can see. Also, we have here blog. So let's click on over. We have here pro sources upgraded for more advanced problem solving, research shapes our daily lives. We use it to make informed decisions and solve problems, to innovate, learn, and grow. Here we have type of perplexities. Perplexity collaborates with Amazon Web Services of bringing perplexity to education and not for profit. Introducing Perplexity pages. Perplexity launches Enterprise Pro. Perplexity Pro is common to all. As you can see, if we scroll down, we have various here. Then we have here fake. Here we have frequently asked questions. What is perplexity? How does perplexity works? How I navigate perplexity? What is focus? What is threat? As you can see, here we have a various questions and with answers. You can just click over here and you get your answers. Then we have encyclopedia, as you can see. Welcome to Perplexity Encyclopedia, introducing a new era of knowledge collection and creation. There is always more to learn. Get started today. So we have here a lot of niches, captions, edugram, vid.io, InVideo, iGen, King EA, and the various stuffs as you can see. You can click over the one you want or the one you need. Then we have cars and English. You can choose the language you want also. We have here our mission, our values, current opponents. All you have to do is click over the one you want and more understand and find other information that can help you or listen solution. So right now let's give in some ways to earn money on Perplexity. The easiest ways to start earning with Perplexity is by offering freelance services. Here is how you can do it. First, identify your niche. Are you good at mentioned specific tasks? Perplexity helps with E.J data analysis, content writing, and focus on what you do best. Then we have create a profile, set up a professional profile on freelancing sites like Upwork or Fiverr. Make sure to highlight your skills and experience with Perplexity. Finally, we have showcase your work. Use Perplexity to create some simple projects. This will help potential clients see the value you can bring. The second method we have creating and selling digital products. Another great way to make money is by creating and selling digital products using Perplexity. Here is how. First, develop your product. Use Perplexity to create ebooks, templates, or online courses. Set up an online store. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad are great for selling digital products. Then we have market your products. Use social media and email marketing to reach your audience. We have the third method is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another excellent way to make money with Perplexity. Here's how it works. First, you join an affiliate program, sign up for Perplexity's affiliate program if they have one, or promote related products, then create valuable content, write blog posts, videos, also use social media to share your affiliate links. Then we have the last method, let's say the fourth method, online courses and consulting. If you are an expert in using Perplexity, why not teach others? Here is how. Create an online course. Use platforms like Teachable or Udemy to create and sell courses on using Perplexity effectively. Then, offer consulting services. Provide one-on-one coaching or consulting to individual or businesses looking to get the most out of Perplexities. And there you have it. 4 powerful ways to make money with Perplexities, whether you choose freelance services, digital products, affiliate marketing, or online courses. There is plenty of opportunities out there. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.